So good morning, it's day 2 in Kaohsiung. I just woke up, nag-breakfast na ako with pastries sa binili ko kagabi. I'm ready to go. Actually, hindi pa. I'll just take a bath and then it's gonna be an adventure-filled day. I'm gonna go to Fo Guangshan Buddha Museum. So medyo malayo siya. I have to take a train and a bus. Pero maganda talaga yung area. Actually, parang last minute ko to naisip. Kasi I thought it was so far away na mahirap puntahan. Pero parang may specific bus naman that goes there. So, let's see how it goes. I'll course you through it, every step of the way. And then later this afternoon, meron akong free walking tour for the if you know Kaohsiung, it's well known for the pagodas. Parang may lake here and then may mga pagodas with the dragon, the tiger. So, yung buong area na yun is what we're gonna go to later. So, free walking tour siya, wala siyang bayad. But of course, tips are welcome. It's very similar dun sa first Taiwan trip ko, going to Taipei. Yung mga historical sites dun. Yun. Same na ginawa namin dun. Pero this time, it's in Kaohsiung. It's giving class field trip. So, it's gonna be a long day. It's 8 a.m. and I'm ready to go. Happy Sunday morning, Kaohsiung. So, wala pa rin tao. Kanina konti ng tao than I expected. Mas marami pang pigeons, so. Pigeons. Anyways, so I'm headed to the train station now. I'm gonna go to Zuoying Station, so medyo going north. Kasi doon yung bus going to the Fo Guangshan.
信用卡交易成功。
So, nasa Zuoying Station na ako. I'm just looking for the bus station. Harvard Express yung pangalan. Pero wala kasi siya sa sign. So, I'm not sure kung saan. I might ask around instead. So, when you go out of Zuoying Station, yan yung lalabasan mo. And then, the bus stop is there. So, dyan ka lang sasakay. You're gonna ride the E2 bus. E02 bus. So, yun pala, nasa bus stop or platform number 3. So, I'm just waiting for the bus. The ride takes around 40 minutes daw. So, sana hindi traffic or like mas mabilis. Ganun. Kasi medyo malayo siya. I really wanna go there. Wala na akong chance to go there. Kasi I'll be working tomorrow and the next week. The life of a digital nomad. Very compressed. So I'm here sa may Fo Guangshan. It was a quick, mga 30-40 minute bus ride. Nasa kabilang side kasi siya ng city. Very peaceful here. So parang siya, museum yung entrance, may mga stores and everything. So syempre kapag nasa temple ka, right, or like in a very holy place, dapat ka, modest outfit, naka-pants, gano'n. So, yan yung outfit of the day, OOTD. And yeah, explore lang ako muna dito. So wow, this is so cool. Wait lang, tingnan niyo to. Whoa, that's a huge Buddha statue. So it's like one straight walkway and then there's the Buddha waiting for you. Hindi ko lang kung pwede umakyat though. So let's see when we get closer. So, still a place of worship. Dapat hindi masyadong maingay. Dapat very respectful. Yeah, sobrang ganda ng architecture. This is huge. Parang siyang yung ano, forgot the place. Yung Chiang Kai-shek Memorial in Taipei. Parang ganun yung vibe niya. Pero instead of like yung tomb of Chiang Kai-shek, it's a huge Buddha statue. So each pagoda pala yung nakita nyo ganyan. This one on my back. May mga ganap pala per each. Pero parang stores lang inside. So you can buy something. I'm not quite sure what it symbolizes. So here's a closer look of the Buddha. So sinasabi nila may ano daw, a relic inside. So ang dami mga sayings here, but you don't need to be Buddhist to be to do it. Kumbaga, you just have to be a good person. Like may nakalagay here, do good deeds, speak good words, and have good intentions. So nakakaaliw, ang daming mga group tours here. One on my left, another one on my right. So very cute. So medyo mabilis lang ako here. Parang wala din masyadong gagawin except appreciate the architecture, the Buddha statue, and maybe I'll go around yung mga souvenir shops though. I love how in a Buddhist monastery something randomly pops up. Dinosaurs. So random. I love it. So as I was going through the pamphlets, I want to know more about this place. So this is where we are. And then nalalaki pa pala nyo, it's a huge annex complex. Ganun. Okay. Huh. I'm back at Zuoyin Station. I'm on the way to the Pier 2 Art Center. So medyo malayo siya. I have to change train lines. Pero at least puro train lang. It's currently 12:05. So baka maghanap na rin ako ng lunch somewhere. Medyo nagutom na me. So we're currently here. Zuoyin. I have to go to Hamasen. Yeah. So dyan yung Pier 2 Art Center. So nandito na tayo sa may Pier 2 Art Center. I'm not quite sure if this is it kasi where's the pier. Pero kakababa ka lang from the train station, Hamasen train station. So yun yung dulo of the line. And I think I can see some sculptures. Since I'm hungry, I'm gonna try to go to this parang tram. Pero may restaurant inside. So para mas ma-appreciate mo ata itong lugar na to if you're very arty, if you have an eye for art. I'm not very arty, but it does look cool. But I think I found the real, I guess, the more exciting area of the Pier 2 Art Center there. Ito ang cool na itsura. Para mga container, yung mga nasa ship, gano'n. Tapos parang finorm nila in a way na balancing structure. Nakakatakot ito. Everything's naka-diagonal. So this is what the inside looks. Para akong drone. So it spans all the way back there pa. I don't know how too long pa siya nag-extend. Pero out of everything, ito ata yung pinaka-cool for me. I had some cool shots. Ilalagay ko here. I had like a mini self photo shoot. And I think I got some good photos. Oh God. Tapos may dumadaan pala na tram here. Hi! Dapat careful lang kasi muntik na akong dito mingin habang naglalakad. Freaky. So ito naman is the Great Harbor Bridge. Sabi nila umiikot daw yan. I cannot imagine how that turns. So I'm just walking the streets. Naghanap ako ng nearest MRT station. I think yung nearest is Yangchengpu. So, pag na ako makain. I only had the gelato kanina. So, as you can imagine, gutom na ako. So, parang sa gitna nung train station may display of lights. So, sobrang cool. Because of this, it's actually part of the station na to. It's part of the most beautiful train stations of the world. One of it. I don't know kung pang ilan, pero it's very nice. Actually, pag ako nasa simbahan, ganun yung vibe. Diba? Simbahan vibes. So first legit meal of the trip. So, braised beef noodles. Looks good though.
One eternity later.
So, I'm finally at the Lotus Pond. Dito sa area ng Dragon and Tiger Pagodas na tignan mo under construction. Nakita ko na sa far away. Sabi ko, bakit green? Scaffolding. As in, I walk from there. You see that bridge? Mas malayo pa doon. And then I walked right there hanggang here. I mean, I got my steps in. So at least. But gosh, sayang. Tignan yung... Ugh. I mean, minus the scaffolding, I mean, it does look nice. Try to imagine it na lang. Diba? I wonder what they're fixing. So it's still nice naman.
The highest density of temples in Kaohsiung. So Kaohsiung doesn't have the most temples.
So nakahabol naman ako dun sa free walking tour. So I'm not sure how long this will take, but we're gonna go through a bunch of different temples. And the first one is this. So may pavilions, pagodas pala there. I love the lighting here. So I just finished yung free walking tour. Of course, it's free siya. It's up to you kung magkanong tip yung bibigay mo kasi they are volunteering here. And so happy with the nakaabot ako and super informative nung guide namin. Her name is Molly. So if you do this and then ako si Molly, you're in good hands. Kita pa ba ako? So gusto ko nga maghanap ng train station and go to a nearby night market. Kung ano yung pinakamalapit. I think the nearest one is called Ruifeng Night Market. Kung tama ba? I think mali ako. So spoiler alert, hindi po ako nakapag-train. For some reason, mali yung train na pinuntahan ko. But after 40 minutes of walking, I've arrived at Ruifeng Night Market. So I got parang a sirloin steak. I think sa dami na nilakad ko today and ginawa, I kind of deserve it. So let's try. So black pepper sauce ang sarap. May additional kick to the usual steak. So steak and noodles, never tried anything like it. Or I think the combination is nice to like. So I just finished with steak. Sobrang savory. I need something sweet to drown it out or like to balance. So I'm gonna buy milk tea. Milk tea in Taiwan is a must. Hi, can I get brown sugar? Brown sugar? Yeah. Okay. Thank you. I just stabbed the dog. Brown sugar milk tea in Taiwan. I love it. So mahaba pala yun sa malaki siyang parang pasikot-sikot. Parang Green Hills. So busy. Siyempre dun tayo sa hindi spicy. Let's try it out. Parang din tayo. And that's a compliment. So very busy in lugar, oh. Daming tao bigla. So I just took the train back to my home station, Sanduo Shopping Center District. So I'm ready to call it a day. Haba ng araw na to. Ang dami kong ginawa. 3 days worth of activities, I would say. And wow, nakakapagod. Gonna call it a night at ano oras ba? It is 7:49. So okay na din. Time to rest up. 7? Mag-8 pa lang. So see you later. Iniisip ko anong gagawin ko for the next days eh. Ano kaya yung content I can film? Actually, ang dami pang night markets. I'm probably gonna do that. Magkikita na tayo sa mga gabi-gabi. So thank you so much for joining this vlog in this episode. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Follow me on my socials. I never say that. But yeah. Thank you for joining me and I hope you learned something.